Hello, I'm ArchieLuxury, and I've had it. I've absolutely had it. And I tell you this now, I'm sick and tired of buying vacuum cleaners, and then the fuckers, you know, they lose their suction, and the bits break off, and it's just absolute shit. And, you know, I know I preach about luxury watches and how you all should have a nice wristwatch, but I gotta tell you fuckers, I've just bought a luxury item. It's a vacuum. It's a Dyson vacuum cleaner. And I gotta tell you fuckers, man, does this baby work. And I had a bit of a dust control problem. And I just get a bit of hay fever and shit like that there. And I thought, fuck it. I'm going to go and get a decent vacuum. You know what I mean? A decent vacuum that I can keep and use in the house. I'm sick of dust being everywhere. I'm sick of fucking, you know, the bits breaking off the vacuum. I want a vacuum that doesn't lose suction, that I can use on a daily fucking basis. And the best vacuums out there, fuckers, the Dyson. And all others lose suction. In its lifetime, this one never will. The Dyson. It's a quality product, and it's something that you've really got to experience. A quality vacuum cleaner, fuckers, and it can suck the shit out of most things. A quality vacuum is what you want to do. And I gotta tell you, fuckers, the Dyson, one of the quality items. Is it luxury? Well, is it clean home luxury? I don't know. I think it's a necessity. I think you've really got to get quality, and you've got to have a clean fucking home. There's nothing worse than you walk on the carpet, it's got that sticky feeling. You know, that sticky, awful fucking feeling there. It just gives you the absolute shit. The big Jesus, you know, it's just really awful. And you want a full attachment of tools and nozzles and attachments, and you want something that can suck the shit out of things. And I gotta tell you, a quality vacuum cleaner, the Dyson, absolute quality vacuuming at its best there. And I did a stupid thing. I used to buy a vacuum. I'd want a cheap vacuum. I'd go to my local Target or Kmart, and you'd buy a vacuum for a couple $100. And, you know, when you first used it, it was really, really good. And then eventually, you know, it just started to lose its suction, and it just it's a downhill spiral. It doesn't last long. It's just gets really fucked. So, fuckers, the Dyson vacuum cleaner, it's just an amazing thing to have. And I mean, hey, I know they're a bit expensive, but fuckers, you know, sometimes you just need to spend a little bit more, and it's the opportunity cost. You get one decent vacuum, and it should last you longer than continually replacing it. And I mean, the Dyson, I just like that cyclonic cleaning. You know, it just cleans well, sucks the shit out of your carpet. And I've got wooden floors in the house, so you know, it's just such a cool thing to actually use it to keep the floors clean, pick up the dust and shit like that there. It's just absolutely amazing. These vacuum cleaners, these Dysons, I tell you what, they are absolutely amazing, fuckers, and I highly recommend. I'm trying to get the house sold, so I'm doing a bit of vacuuming to keep it clean. And tell me what you fuckers think of my Dyson, fuckers. And it gets dust. It picks up dust. You wouldn't believe it. I'm ArchieLuxury talking about Dyson vacuum cleaners. Tell me what you fuckers think of that.